Enter your school code and password. Select the correct program and click on Instructions. Read the instructions, watch the video and click on Next. There are two methods for adding applicants, and you should not use both methods for a same applicant. Method 1, Bulk Upload. Read the instructions and click on Download the Excel template. Fill all the fields correctly. Save Excel template. Do not change the Excel template name. Upload the selected file using Upload. If there are any errors in temporary uploaded data, those will be highlighted in red. Errors will be appeared on the screen as above. If you want to view unuploaded temporary data, click on View Temporary Data. Click on Edit on the right side of the highlighted column and fix the errors. Fix the errors and click on Save Information. Click on Finish Upload Data at the end of the page to permanently upload the data. This step is mandatory. Check whether number of applicants in the Excel template and the number of applicants permanently uploaded are the same. Method 2, Add candidate one by one. Fill all the fields correctly. Select the main medium of the exam. Select the subject and medium. If a student have special educational needs, click on Yes and update fields, otherwise click on No. Click on Go to Data Form. Click on Edit. Update fields and click on Update and go back to List. Click on Print Data Form. Print the PDF and follow the common instructions. For more details, contact School Examinations Organization and Results Branch. For more technical support, contact Online Branch.